The question is saying that a series LCR circuit with resistance of 20 ohm, inductance of 1.5 Henry and capacitance of 35 microfarad is connected to a variable frequency of 200 volt AC supply. When the frequency of the supply equals the natural frequency of the circuit, what is the average power transferred to the circuit in one complete cycle? Now this question can be pictorially represented like this, where this is the power supply, AC power supply of 200 volts, and the frequency is variable over here. Now we have to find out the frequency at which the natural frequency of the circuit meets or the resonance happen. And at resonance, what is the average power transferred to the circuit in one complete cycle? Now we know that resonance in the LRC circuit, that resonance occurs when the inductive reactance equals the capacitive reactance, or mathematically we can represent it as inductive reactance is equals to capacitive reactance. When the inductive reactance and the capacitive reactance matches, the impedance is equals to resistance, or it is purely resistive. So upon equating these two quantities, we will get omega, or the frequency, is equals to 1 by under root LC. Now we can find out the frequency at which the resonance happens by this formula, applying this formula, and after that the power given to the circuit, we have to find out what is the average power transferred to the circuit in one complete cycle. Now when this happens, since the impedance is equals to the resistance of the circuit, so power would be equal to V square by Z, or Z can be equivalent to resistance because there is no other resistance that is happening in the circuit. So R will be equal to, or Z will be equal to 20 ohm. Now upon using this formula for omega, we will find out the value of the resonance frequency about 1380.2 radians per second, and power, we can use this formula of V square by Z, and that will give us, since this is the given quantity 200 volt and Z is equals to the resistance, that is 20 ohm, we will get a value of 2000 watts. So at resonance in this LCR circuit, the average power transfer to the circuit is in one complete cycle is going to be 2000 watts. Thank you.